Hey, do you want to learn how to set up Jotform ChatGPT integration? With this, you'll be able to build apps, forms, etc. within your ChatGPT itself, but you do need to connect it to Jotform. So I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, you need to go to jotform.com and sign up for an account. I have a link in the description. You can go through that. So if you do decide to purchase any of these paid plans on the website, it's going to help me out with a small commission. Now on ChatGPT, on the left hand side, you need to go over to apps, press on this, and then search for Jotform. Now you're going to see this Jotform sign in order to create e-sign documents. There's Jotform to build forms and analyze responses. And there's Jotform Apps, which will allow you to build no-code app with Jotform. I think you'll be using these two mostly. And this is something that new that they have created to create an AI app. So let's just connect both of these. Go inside and then press on the connect button. Now let's press on the sign in with Jotform. And it's going to take you over here. Let's press on the allow button. And that is it. Jotform is installed. Let's go over back to apps again. Let's type in Jotform and then let's press on this Jotform apps and connect it as well. Sign in with Jotform. Now it's going to give you this again, the page. Let's press on the allow button and that's it, done. Now I'm going to start a new chat. So let's press on this on the top left, new chat, and let's select Jotform. So @Jotform. You're going to see this Jotform right here and Jotform apps. So let's go with Jotform apps first and let's type in create a to-do list app and match the design font style with canva.com. Let's do that and let's press on the send prompt and let's see what it does. And there you go. Your app is ready and you can take a look at it. You can also take a look at how your app is going to look like when you switch over to desktop mode. You can see that. This is how it's going to look like. And let's close it. I don't think you can edit your app in ChatGPT itself. Once you have made the app, you can edit it in Jotform. So you can click over here on this button and it's going to take you over to the app editor. And there you go. Now you should be able to add page from the bottom or add data to it like this right here. Task preview, dashboard stats, and tasks. You can create new table as well if you want to, or you can ask the AI to do it. Both of them works. Go over to settings. All of these are there. I have made a separate video on how to use Jotform AI app builder. I have explained in detail all of these settings, so you can check that video out. It is going to be available at the end in a playlist. If you want to add elements, you can click on this plus button and do it and such. Then you can publish it from here. Now let's see if we can actually edit inside ChatGPT itself. I don't think it's possible, but let's still try it out. Let's see if we can change it. So change the text, plan your day to plan today. Okay, it did change the text, but it took this here. That was something else. See your priorities at a glance. It changed this text to plan today. You can see this. It did change. So yeah. So it's possible to do this, to do the editing inside the ChatGPT itself, but it's better if you go to this button right here, edit in Jotform, and do it on their app itself. The Jotform AI app builder, you can do it here. And it would be much better than doing it on ChatGPT. Although you can create apps with ChatGPT now, so that's great. Also, I press on this @Jotform, and now I can select the second one. In order to create, edit, manage forms, I can do that. So I can say create a email sign up form for Solvebase. So in order to do this, you first need to press on the prompt bar right here and then type in @, and then you can select either Jotform or Jotform apps and then do it. So like you can see, it has created us this thing right here. And if you want to change anything inside it, you should be able to do it with the ChatGPT itself. You can also edit it in Jotform. You can share it using this link and such. So let's say I want to change this, join the solve-based newsletter text to something else, or this subtitle right here. I can say change, quote this whole thing to something like this, change, and then I've quoted this whole thing to, and then quoted it again, and entered in the new text. Enter your email to subscribe and get access to latest tech news tutorials. Then I'm going to press on the send button, and let's see if it does it or not. And there you go. It did change it. That's great. So you can make forms inside ChatGPT and edit it as well inside the ChatGPT itself. Or of course, you can go to edit in Jotform, and then you can change these forms with the help of the AI inside Jotform itself, or just do it manually. You can do all of those things. It gives you more flexibility, more controls in the Jotform builder. So yeah, I've showed you how to add forms and build apps using Jotform integration in ChatGPT. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with the like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more Jotform AI or ChatGPT related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.